In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix Wi-Fi can't connect to this network. So let's get started. So if you're having that issue, then we need to go ahead in the start button, make a right click, and then here you have to select device manager. Once you open the device manager window, here you have to simply locate they network adapters. Okay, locate network adapters, and here you have to locate your network adapter. You just need to make a right click and then you have to select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and here you have to choose the latest version, which is in the first option, and click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers, then close this and close this window. You just need to restart your Windows once after doing the process. The next method, press Windows key and R button together to open the run window. Here you need to simply type ncpa.cpl. ncpa.cpl, click on OK. So once you open the network connections window, you need to locate your network adapter, make a right click, select disable, and then you need to wait for some time. Right click, select enable, and that will fix the issue for you. So we need to look at from here. Okay, Wi-Fi is back, and then this is now connecting, identifying the network, and now we are connected. Okay, next method, again you need to make a right click on the network adapter. You have to select properties. Once the properties window will open, you have to locate Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties. Now here in the properties window, you need to make sure that you select the first options, obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. Click on OK and then close this and close the window. Then we can also run some commands in the command prompt. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. Now on the right pane, you have to look for this option, run as administrator. Once the command prompt window is opened, we need to simply type some commands in here. Do not worry, the commands will be posted in the description section of this video. Type netsh space int space ip space reset log.txt. Hit enter. Next command, netsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Now we need to flush the DNS, so type IP config space forward slash flush DNS, hit enter. Now type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the final method, click on the start button, click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply locate network and internet. Scroll down and you'll find advanced network settings. Click on that. And here you'll find network reset. Click on that. Click on the reset now button and click on yes. This will restart your Windows and that will fix the issue for you. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.